Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the very important topics for grade 10, that is carbon and its compound. Okay. So as most of the carbon compounds are found by the covalent bond, so let's start the topic with the covalent bond. Okay, bonding in carbon compounds. Okay, when we talk about bondings in carbon compounds are generally found by the covalent bond. What do you mean by covalent bond? The bond which is found by the mutual sharing of electron. Okay, so here there are three types of covalent bonds are there: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bonds. So you can see covalent bonds are found by the sharing of electrons. Okay, so two or more atoms share electrons to make their configuration stable. Okay, either they are stable by the duplet rule or octet rule. Okay, and in this type of bond all the atoms have the similar rights, okay, over the shared electrons. Let's take example chlorine Cl2, okay, which is example of single covalent bond. Okay, when we talk about the chlorine atom, atomic number of chlorine is 17. It means it has 17 electrons, yes or no? So electronic configuration is what? 2, 8, 7. So we can see chlorine has 7 valence electron. How many valence electrons? 7 valence electrons. What happens in case of covalent bonds? Only valence shell electron, that is the outermost shell electron, take part in sharing. Okay, so we can show chlorine molecules formation, chlorine. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To become stable, what it will do? It will share one electron and become stable. Yes or no? Similarly, it will share one electron, become stable. Okay, after sharing one electron, it will have 8 electrons right now. So here one pair of electron is shared between the chlorine atom. That's why it is a single covalent bond. Yes or no? Now let's see. In case of single covalent bond in methane, that is CH4. Okay, CH4, if you see carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6, electronic configuration 2, 4. It means K shell will have 4 electrons, K shell will have 2 electrons, L shell will have 4 electrons. So you can see here carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and hydrogen, what about hydrogen atom? Atomic number of hydrogen is 1, yes or no? So valence electron is also 1, K shell 1 electron. So here I am showing hydrogen atom 1 electron, hydrogen atom with 1 valence electron. Now hydrogen to become stable, it will share 1 electron, okay, and it becomes stable by which rule? Duplet rule. Okay, which rule? Duplet rule. Duplet rule states that if the valence electron of the atom is 2, it is stable. So here hydrogen will take 1 electron and become stable. Yes or no? What about the carbon? Carbon is having 4 valence electron, so it will take 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here, and 1 from here. In this way methane is formed. So you can see as one pair of electron is shared, so here carbon hydrogen single bond, this side also carbon hydrogen single bond, this side also single bond. In this way methane formation takes place by covalent bond. Yes or no? Okay, hydrogen, they have shown hydrogen also. You see hydrogen becomes stable. See hydrogen atomic number is what? Atomic number is 1. So electronic configuration, okay, it has 1 electrons only in the valence shell. So to become stable, it will take 1 electron, become stable, it will take 1 electron. So hydrogen is formed a hydrogen molecule by single covalent bond. Is it clear? Next, coming to the double covalent bond. Okay, when we talk about the double covalent bond, double bond is formed by the sharing of 4 electrons or 2 from each of the 2 atoms. For example, oxygen. Okay, oxygen atomic number is how much? 8, electronic configuration 2, 6. So valence electron of the oxygen atom is 6. So we can see here oxygen atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To become stable, what it will do? It will take 2 electrons become stable. Yes or no? Here also take 2 electrons become stable. Now between oxygen atom 2 pair of electron is shared. Yes or no? 1 pair, 2 pairs. That's why it is a double covalent bond. Yes or no? Now similarly formation of ethylene are also called as ethene, C2H4. This is a alkene. Okay, so how the alkene formation takes place? Let's see. Carbon, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. As carbon is having 4 valence electrons, so here also 1, 2, 3, 4. And what about hydrogen? 4 hydrogen atoms are there having 1 valence electron, yes or no? Now hydrogen to become stable, it will take 1 electron and become stable. What about the carbon? Carbon is having 4 valence electrons, it will take 1 from here, 5, 1 from here, 6, and 2 from here, 8. Similarly, 4 it is having, so 1 from here, 5, 6, and 2 here. Yes or no? So between carbon carbon double bond is formed. Between carbon hydrogen single bond is formed. Between carbon hydrogen single bond is formed. Again single bond again. In this way the formation of ethene takes place. Yes or no? Now let's talk about the triple covalent bond. Okay, the triple covalent bond sharing of 6 electrons, or 3 from each of the 2 atoms takes place. Okay, so let's take example of nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen N2. N2 is formed by the triple covalent bond. When we talk about the nitrogen, atomic number of nitrogen is what? 7. Electronic configuration 2, 5. Yes or no? So nitrogen is having 5 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now nitrogen to become stable, it needs 3 electrons, right now. So it will take 3 electrons from this, become stable. Similarly, it will take 3 from here. Okay, so here between the nitrogen atom, 3 pair of electron is here. That's why it is what? A triple covalent bond. Yes or no? So here you should understand covalent bond mutual sharing of electrons takes place. It means if it is taking 3 electrons, it can give only 3 electrons only. Yes or no? The pair of electron which is taking part in bonding, it is called as bond pair. Which is not taking part in bonding, it is called as lone pair electron. This is called as lone pair electrons. Okay, just for information you should know. And there are 3 bond pair, 1, 2, 3, 3 bond pair electrons are there. Bond pair electrons, yes or no? And 3 bond pair electrons, bond pair, and 2 lone pair. Yes or no? Now let's let's discuss about the C2H2, that is ethane. Okay, ethane C2H2. How is this C2H2? Okay, as you can see, carbon carbon triple bond is there and carbon hydrogen single bond is there. This is the diagram or a structure of ethane. This is ethane. How the sharing takes place? Okay, here carbon 1, 2, 3 electrons and 1 here 4 electrons. With this 1, 2, 3 electrons, 1, 4 electrons. What about hydrogen? 1 electron, 1 electron. Hydrogen to become stable, it will take 1 electron, become stable. What about the carbon? Carbon is having 4 valence electron. 1 it will take from here 5 and 3 from here 8. Similarly 4 is there, 1 from here 5 and 3 from here. So that's why between carbon carbon 3 pair of electron is shared, that is single covalent, triple covalent bond, single covalent bond. Okay, yes or no? So this is how the formation of triple bond, okay, is shown here. You can see. So what are the properties of covalent bonds? Very important. Generally the intermolecular force is a smaller, okay, weaker we can say, compared to the ionic bond. Ionic bond is a strong bond, whereas covalent bond is a weaker bond. Covalent bonds are weaker than ionic bonds. Covalent compounds have low melting and boiling points, as the bonds between them is very weak. No charged particles are formed, that is covalent compounds are poor conductor of electricity. Okay, so all the organic compounds like petrol, kerosene, diesel, you can see they are poor conductor of electricity because there is no free ions. Okay, yes or no? So here these are the basics information about the covalent bond and the bonding in carbon compounds. I hope you understood these concepts. Please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.